In this video, we are unboxing and replacing front brake pads on a Honda Civic FA1. Important notes: brake grease, brake pad retaining clips, front brake pads, tools used for removing and installing the Honda Civic FA1 front brake pads, large electric impact wrench, medium 14mm short socket, large 17mm deep socket, 17mm wrench, 19mm wrench, brake caliper piston compression tool, brake caliper hook, medium torque wrench, large torque wrench, large telescopic ratchet wrench. Use a large 17mm deep socket paired with a large telescopic ratchet wrench. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Use a large 17mm deep socket paired with a large electric impact wrench. Remove the wheel lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Lift the vehicle. Use a 14mm wrench and a 19mm wrench. Remove the brake caliper mounting bolts. Remove the bolts. Remove the brake caliper. Use the brake caliper hook to support the brake caliper. Remove the brake pads. Remove the retaining clips. Use the brake caliper piston compression tool to compress the piston. These are the old and new front brake pads and the comparison of the old and new retaining clips. Install the retaining clips. Align them with the slots on the brake caliper bracket. Apply a thin, even layer of brake grease to the surface of the brake pad backing plate. Finished appearance after application. Align the slots and install the new brake pads. Install the inner brake pad. Align it with the slots during installation. Remove the brake caliper hook. Install the brake caliper. Align the mounting holes. Insert the mounting bolts. Use a 19mm wrench, medium 14mm short socket paired with a medium torque wrench. Tighten the brake caliper mounting bolts and apply the specified torque. Tightening torque is 34 Nm, 25 foot-pound. For the brake pads and wheel hub on the opposite side, apply the same procedure, the same installation process, and the same torque specifications. Install the wheel. Use a large 17mm deep socket paired with a large electric impact wrench. Tighten the wheel lug nuts. After replacing the brake pad, pump the brake pedal repeatedly. To reset the brake caliper piston, install the wheel lug nuts. Use a large 17mm deep socket paired with a large torque wrench. Apply torque to the wheel lug nuts. Tightening torque is 150 Nm, 111 foot-pound. Lower the vehicle.